In this video, I will show you Nordvpn review and how to use Nordvpn. Nordvpn is a reputable virtual private network service that prioritizes user privacy and security while offering a wide range of features and benefits. It offers different plans depending on your use and preferences. Nordvpn employs military-grade encryption to safeguard users' internet traffic from hackers, snoopers, and other malicious entities. It supports various protocols, including OpenVPN, and offering user flexibility and strong security options. Just choose a plan to continue. Nordvpn has a strict no-logs policy, meaning it does not track, collect, or store online information. You can connect to any region in the world. With over 5,000 servers in 60 countries, Nordvpn offers a vast network that enables users to access restricted content from anywhere, bypass censorship, and enjoy fast and reliable connections. Nordvpn offers advanced security features like double VPN, which routes users' internet traffic through two VPN servers for added encryption and anonymity. Additionally, it supports Onion over VPN, integrating with the Tor network for enhanced privacy. It includes a kill switch feature that automatically disconnects users from the internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing data leaks. It also provides DNS leak protection to ensure that users' DNS queries remain secure and private. Nordvpn offers intuitive apps for various devices and platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and more. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for both novice and experienced users to connect to servers and customize settings. Nordvpn provides round-the-clock customer support via live chat, email, and support tickets. Its knowledgeable support team assists users with technical issues, inquiries, and troubleshooting promptly and effectively. Overall, Nordvpn is an excellent choice for individuals and businesses seeking to enhance their online privacy and security. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.